How to make taskbar transparent or solid in Windows 11 and Windows 10. 1. Make your taskbar transparent or solid using settings. Turn taskbar transparency effects on or off with the registry edit. Set 1. Make your Windows taskbar transparent, or 0. Disable transparency effects. To enable transparency at computer /HT_current_user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /themes /personalize.